Oh, I think the camp's like really good, like learning how to solder, the physics behind everything, having fun with friends, like it's all been really good. And yeah, I love the camp.
It was cool to learn everything behind a drone and then actually put it into practice and make our own drone and then fly them like kids are doing behind. And being able to look at all the different kinds of drones, like we had the guy from Birdie come in and teach us about his company and show us the drones that he flies for his things, and see that there are like small drones and then there's massive, big, expensive corporate ones as well. Like there's all different ranges of them, and being able to see how they work, why they work, and how it all goes. And it's just been a really fun experience to learn how to do all these different skills.